Good morning, 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. This is Mr. Snyder with a quick tutorial on how to not only access the Google documents that I assign on your class pages, but how to correctly turn them in. Some of you have been simply just sharing it with me, and while that is technically doing the work, you are creating more work for me because now I have half of the assignments turned in correctly on the Google Classroom. The other half are in my email that I have to go and open and download and move to a folder. So in order to prevent more work being created for all of us, I am going to show you how to turn in your assignments to Google Classroom correctly. So I have a fake email made, summer.academy at the neighborhoodacademy.org, and I'm going to use that to display how things should go. So you're going to click on the class. You're going to see I have assignments in week 1, day 2, Frederick Douglass Gallery Walk. Now, this is for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, this tutorial. I'm just using 7th grade as an example. I'm going to click on that. This is going to pull up the page with all of the instructions. You'll see the plan for the day 1 through 4. And number 1, open up the Google Doc book cover reaction and gallery walk. You will be filling this out as you watch the videos posted for section A and B. Okay. So in the top right corner here, and this looks slightly different for you because in order to practice this and know exactly what I'm doing, I submitted work, I removed it. So it will not say this initially, right? It'll just have the assignment itself there for you. That Google document will be there for you. It'll have your first and last name and then the name Frederick Douglass Gallery Walk. You click on it. All right. So we are going to, you would click on that and it would pull up your Google Doc that has been specifically made for you. You're going to add or create. All right. So I'm going to add from Google Drive this right here. Okay. Couldn't attach a file you own. Google Drive, other ones. Yeah, I own that. All right. So that is there now. All right. Now, again, this won't be here, but this blank that would have been there. You click on that, you fill that in. All right. Make sure that you put in your first and last name. Okay, just having it up here is not enough. Type in your name. Don't be lazy and make sure you're capitalizing it. You're going to answer the questions, right? And then whenever you're done with it, you've got one of two options in order to turn this in. You can go back to this page and you can go on turn in. Just a heads up, if you don't have anything done here, it'll say mark as done. Okay, don't click mark as done because you need to type in answers to this Google document. You can turn it in after you have done this, all right? Or on your Google Doc, you got two options here. One is turn in, the other one is share. Do not share with me, please. Okay, sharing only sends my email. It does not turn it in. It will look as if it had not turned it in the time comes. If you're looking for work. So click on turn in. It'll reopen Google Classroom, and it's going to ask you, one attachment will be submitted for week 1, day 2, Frederick Douglass Gallery Walk. Okay, and there's the work. Let's double check because once you turn it in, you are not able to get it back. All right, that is set in stone for me to grade. I can then make comments, but once you turn it in, that's it, guys. All right, there's no going back and re-editing or trying to make corrections after. Turn in and it's done. All right. Now, I'm not going as far as to unsubmit it and see what takes place there. Don't turn your work in until it's done, because once I see that something's turned in, I am going to start grading it. I'm not waiting till the last minute to get all these things graded. So once it's turned in, I start grading it if I'm able to get access to it. And that's that. All right. So if you guys have any questions about this video or about this process, please let me know. All right. And hopefully we can get this all sorted out and things a little bit more streamlined. So again, please remember, if you do not turn it into Google Classroom, you are not going to get credit for it. I do not care if you have shared it with me. You are not following the directions from this point forward. Turn it into Google Classroom, please, and thank you. All right, guys, wash your hands. Don't touch